The US dollar is closing the month with notable gains. The US currency has been raining on Forex in January as a safe haven asset on concerns about the economic impact of the virus inside and outside of China. The offshore yuan gave up earlier gains. The US dollar index has been trading firmly higher despite a downtick today. The index opened the New York trade at 97.7. At present, the market lacks strong drivers which could push the greenback down. The US currency is likely to carry on trading under low volatility. Traders are encouraged by upbeat macroeconomic data from the US and optimistic financial records of large US companies. So traders are shifting focus away from worrisome news about the fast-spreading coronavirus. The first estimate of the US GDP for the fourth quarter matched the consensus. The national economy is on a sound footing. Unlike the stock market, the economy has been unaffected by the prospects of a rate cut and bond buying by the Fed. Analysts reckon that the outbreak of the coronavirus could subtract 1.4% from China's GDP in the first quarter. The fallout from the epidemic could trigger a slowdown in the global economy, thus casting a shadow over the US. Today, the US is due to release a batch of economic data. Traders are mostly interested in personal spending for December. Traders speculating on the Canadian dollar are anticipating a report on Canada's GDP. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair was trading with marginal gains at 1.3232 ahead of the publication. Canada's economy edged up 0.1% in November month on month. The actual figure is slightly better than the forecast for a zero change. The World Health Organization declared a global health emergency. However, it tried to calm down the market, saying it would hardly hurt international trade. So, trade-related currencies have fallen to the lowest levels in a few months. On Friday, the US and other countries imposed travel restrictions. The yuan weakened against the US dollar after the recent bounce. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice weekend. Bye.